Hi, my name is Colby Sharma. I wanted to say thank you so much to Arrowsmith School and the Arrowsmith program. It's profoundly affected me and shaped my life for the better. It's provided me, the importance of resilience, perseverance. It's allowed me to think things in new ways that I probably wouldn't have before I came through those doors all those years ago in 2006. It's what led me to graduate from law school successfully with honors. It's allowed me to certainly reflect on that experience from my book, The Curveball. It's just changed everything, and I'm so grateful to have found Arrowsmith School. I want to say thank you so much to the principal, to the teachers, to everyone that I had the opportunity to interact with. It's been a profound impact on my life. Thank you, Arrowsmith School, for 40 years, and all the very best on your anniversary.